welcome back to my YouTube channel, Technology Channel World. So today in this video I want to see, few days before I got many comments. Most of the comments were saying, bro, do unboxing video, do GorillaPod unboxing video. So these were the most comments that I got from viewers. Today we're gonna have an unboxing video of this GorillaPod, guys, and see the demonstration and the review of this product. So now without any further delay, let's get into our video. Unboxing this GorillaPod. So guys, after seeing this video and if you have an idea for buying this GorillaPod, I'll give the Best Buy link in the description down below. You can click and purchase it. So guys, now let's start unboxing. So I have a scissor with me to peel this off the top part. So now let's cut parts. So guys, now I've peeled it out. Let me keep it aside. So guys, now let's remove whatever is inside this package. So guys, there is a GorillaPod inside this and a head to hold the mobile phones. I mean the mount to hold on this top of the GorillaPod and a paper. So let's check what paper is this. So this is the shipping address, our paper, and the Amazon paper which we got from the package. So guys, now let's remove from this plastic cover. So this is the GorillaPod and this is the head. So guys, now let's see the advantage and the review of this GorillaPod. Now let's see the build quality of this GorillaPod, guys. So guys, they have given a rubber coating for the legs of the GorillaPod, guys, and they have given a hard rubber coating so that it will last for a long time, and they have given a good finishing for this GorillaPod too, guys. And guys, this GorillaPod can flexible in any type of way. So let me show you. So you could see it's flexible in any type of way. See guys, see. So now let's get into the head of this GorillaPod. So this head can be stretched until its full position to hold the mobile phones. So now let's fix this head onto the GorillaPods. So see guys, now we've fixed it. Now let me show you my phone holding on this. See guys, it's holding very nicely. See? And the head of this GorillaPod can move in 360-degree direction, and this can be flexibly done in any direction. So now let's get into the specifications of this GorillaPod. Now let's see the specifications of this GorillaPod, guys. I've already told you that this leg of this GorillaPod can be flexible in any type of way, guys, and they have given a rubber coating for this, a hard rubber coating for this, and they have given a good finishing for this too, guys. So now let's get into the head of this GorillaPod, guys. So guys, they have given a plastic coating and metal for this head, guys. So you can push this head to hold your mobile phones. And if you have a question whether can we use this GorillaPod for cameras. So you can use this for cameras, but not like DSLR camera and those camera, heavy rated camera. You can use this for cameras like Sony ZV-1 and those cameras, because those are lightweighted cameras, so you can use this for them. And let me tell you an important and a nice feature in this GorillaPod. If you want to remove the top of this GorillaPod, you have a button right over here. If you just push it, it comes out. So I mean the screw comes out. So let me show you how it looks. So it looks like this, guys. You can just push this screw out from this. See? And if you want to fix it again, you just put the screw inside and just push it into this. So now we have done. And let me tell you in which all ways can this be useful, guys. So guys, this could be very useful to vloggers. I will suggest them for sure. So they could just bend it like this. If they are vlogging, they could just bend it like this and vlog it like this, guys. And this can also be useful for YouTubers. I will also suggest them. I'll also suggest to them. So if you are using this kind of table, they could just hold it like this and keep their cameras and shoot their video. And we can also shoot down shots from this GorillaPod. So you could just bend it like this and hold your mobile phone. And if you are doing an unboxing video, this could be very useful as well. So guys, now we've seen everything about this GorillaPod and seen the demonstration and the review of this GorillaPod too, guys. And guys, please comment us what type of tech video do you want us to upload so that we can know your thoughts too, guys. Soon we'll get more tech videos and unboxing videos in our channel. If you want to see them without missing, get notified with our channel by subscribing. And guys, soon we'll get a video in which all ways can we use Gorilla Pods. I mean the hacks of a Gorilla Pod. So guys, now we have seen everything. Hope you would have enjoyed this video, and if you have really enjoyed, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Technology Channel World, and also turn on the notifications down below so that you'll not miss any of our upcoming video. See you in the next video, and remember for Bye.